Imagine your brain as a bustling city constantly sending messages back and forth to keep everything running smoothly. At the heart of this communication network are tiny messengers called neurotransmitters. Think of them as the city's couriers delivering important packages across the synapse, a central junction where neurons connect. These include familiar names like serotonin, acetylcholine, dopamine, GABA, and norepinephrine, each playing a unique role in shaping how we think, feel, and remember. Neurotransmitters are often modulated by neuromodulators and hormones which act like city planners adjusting traffic flow and city function. For example, hormones like corticotropin releasing hormone and adrenocorticotropic hormone are involved in stress responses, orchestrating the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. That's way of saying they help your body manage stress and maintain homeostasis. Now, when you learn something new or remember a cherished moment, your brain uses a process called synaptic plasticity, making those connections stronger or weaker. One key mechanism is the long-term potentiation, where glutamate, especially through NMDA receptors, helps solidify these neural pathways. Think of it as reinforcing roads in our state so messages travel faster and efficiently. Different brain regions contribute to our mental landscape. Hippocampus is your memory headquarters, helping with understanding and learning, while the prefrontal cortex handles cognition and decision making. Limbic system, including the amygdala, nucleus accumbens, manages emotions and motivation, giving your experiences emotional color and reward. Dopamine circuits such as the mesolimbic and nigrostriatal pathways are like the city's reward systems, driving motivation and pleasure, influencing everything from motivation to movement. Meanwhile, serotonin influences mood and vigilance, keeping you alert and emotionally balanced, and GABA acts as a calming agent, preventing chaos in the neural traffic. Your brain also has other important players like glial cells, which support and protect neurons, and cytokine immune signaling molecules that can influence neural activity, especially during stress or illness. Stress itself triggers the sympathetic adrenal medullary axis and the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, releasing adrenaline, cortisol, and catecholamines to prepare your body for action. Think of it as the city's emergency response to you spring into gear when danger strikes. Sometimes chronic stress or pain, like fibromyalgia, can cause disruptions in this delicate balance, affecting gray matter in the brain and limbic region, which are involved in emotion and cognition. That's where neurorehabilitation and cognitive behavioral therapy come in, helping reset the city's traffic and restore balance. Your sensory system is also part of this grand city. Neurons relay signals from your skin and organs through the dorsal root ganglion and spinal dorsal horn to the thalamus and somatosensory cortex, allowing you to feel pain, touch, and temperature. Substances like substance P and calcitonin gene-related peptide modulate these pain signals, which are then processed and interpreted. For all this, the brain's interconnected regions like the anterior cingulate cortex, and paragray matter work together to process emotion, pain, and awareness. Limbic and corticolimbic areas integrate our feelings and memories, shaping our perception of the world. So whether it's managing stress, forming memories, experiencing emotion, or simply feeling pain, your brain's intricate network of nature's various hormones and neural pathways keeps everything in harmony. Like a well-organized living city, always adapting and responding to keep you functioning your best.